Hi guys, good evening. All are getting my screen and voice. Please confirm.
Tell me your employee.
Hi guys, all are getting my screen and voice. Please confirm. Right. So what we discussed in last session, guys. So in last session, we discussed what is operating system. What is operating system? And what is Windows operating system? What is the Windows operating system? What is Linux operating system? Linux operating system. And what Linux distributions are available? What Linux distributions are available? So all these things we discussed in yesterday's session. What is operating system? Right. So what is a Windows operating system? What is the Linux operating system? What Linux distributions are available? We discussed in last session. Fine. So today we are going to see Linux environment setup. I want to do the Linux environment setup. Linux environment setup we need to do. Guys, how we will do Linux environment setup? Here we are not going to install Linux in our Windows operating system. We are not going to install Linux in our systems. If we want, we can do that. If we want, we can do by using either hypervisor software or by using virtual boxes. We can do that, guys. If you want, you can install Linux in your system only by using hypervisor software or by using virtual box. If you do like that, what is the problem? Your system performance will get slowed down. Your system performance will get slowed down. So that's why here we are not, I'm not going to install a Linux in my machine. What I am going to do it here I will create a Linux virtual machine in AWS cloud. What I'm going to do in AWS cloud, I'm going to create one Linux virtual machine. From my Windows machine, I will connect with that Linux virtual machine which we are going to create in AWS. And in that Linux machine, we will perform all the operations. How to do that setup, we will see first. See, if you want to create the Linux virtual machine in AWS cloud, first we should have the account in AWS. First, we should have create account in AWS. What is AWS, guys? Amazon Web Services. And in AWS, first we should have the account. We should have the account in AWS, then only we can able to create the Linux virtual machine. Here, at the time of creating the account, right, it will ask to enter the debit card details or credit card details. At the time of creating the account in AWS, it will ask to enter debit card or credit card details. Right, so they will deduct only 2 rupees, guys, just for verification purpose. Whether you are the genuine user or not, just for verification purpose, they will deduct 2 rupees. After 48 hours or once that account is get activated, once that AWS account is get activated, that 2 rupees also will credit back into your account. But here compulsory you need to provide your account card details. then only you can able to create the account in AWS. Is it clear, guys? First, we need to create the account in AWS. At the time of creating the account, it will ask to enter the debit card details or credit card details. That is the mandatory activity. Compulsory, you should provide your card details. They will deduct just 2 rupees for verification purpose. Once your account got activated, automatically that 2 rupees again you will get it back into your account. Okay, once account is ready, what we need to do, we need to create one Linux virtual machine in AWS cloud, guys. Right, so here create linux virtual machine, create Linux virtual machine, right, in AWS. If you want to create Linux virtual machine in AWS, which service we need to use? We need to use one service, guys. By using that service only we can able to create the Linux virtual machine. Right, in AWS we have so many services are available. From those services we need to use one service to create the Linux virtual machine in AWS. Which service we need to use? EC2 service we need to use. Create Linux virtual machine in AWS by using EC2 service. By using EC2 service. What is EC2 stands for? What is EC2 stands for, guys? What is EC2? Guys, please respond. What is EC2? Right. Elastic compute cloud. Elastic compute cloud, guys. Elastic compute cloud, not elastic cloud compute. If you guys attend for any written test in the companies, right, some companies will conduct some written test kind of thing. If you guys attend for any written test, they will give both options. Elastic compute cloud they will give, elastic cloud compute also they will give. Don't get confused. EC2 stands for elastic compute cloud, not cloud compute. Okay, guys, first we should create the account in AWS. Next, we need to create the Linux virtual machine in AWS by using EC2, elastic compute cloud service. Right, once Linux virtual machine is created, right, now we need to connect with that Linux virtual machine from our machine. From our Windows machine, we need to connect with that Linux virtual machine. How you can able to connect? How you can able to connect? For that, we need to install one software. We need to install one software in our Windows machine. By using that software, we can able to connect with the Linux virtual machine. Which software we need to install? We have so many softwares are available. Multiple softwares are available. Right? In those multiple softwares, any one we can use. What softwares are available, guys? You guys have any idea? To connect with the Linux virtual machine, which is available in AWS cloud. In our Windows machine, which application we need to use, which software we need to use? Putty we can use. Very good. Putty we can use. Git Bash we can use. And right, one more is right, MobaXterm. Right, MobaXterm also we can use. Anyone like this, we have so many softwares are available. By using any one of these softwares, we can connect with the virtual machine which is created in AWS cloud. So first we need to download Git Bash or MobaXterm, right? MobaXterm, right? Software to connect with Linux virtual machine. To connect with Linux virtual machine. We can use any application, guys. We can use anything to connect, right? Virtual machine, Linux virtual machine, which we created in AWS cloud, right? If you want to connect with this Linux machine, what we need, guys? We need public IP. We need public IP of this Linux virtual machine. Why we need public IP? We are trying to connect with this Linux virtual machine from outside of the network. Where this Linux virtual machine is available, this Linux virtual machine is available in AWS cloud in some region. We have so many regions are available. Mumbai region is available, Singapore region is available, Canada region is available, right? US north, south, etc, etc, etc. So many regions are available. In some region we will create this Linux virtual machine, right? So but from where we are trying to connect? We are trying to connect from our laptops, from our Windows operating system. We are trying to connect with the Linux machine. If you want to connect from outside, compulsory you should have some public IP. You should have the public IP, and you should have some PEM key. You should have some PEM key. You should have some PEM key also. Public IP is required and PEM key also required. How you will get that PEM key? At the time of creating virtual machine. At the time of creating virtual machine, we will download one PEM key. We will download one PEM key. By using that PEM key, we can able to connect with this Linux virtual machine. Okay, guys. Here what we are doing, we are downloading Git Bash and MobaXterm software. Anything we can download. From that we can, through by using that software, we are going to connect with Linux virtual machine which we created in AWS cloud. Okay, is it clear, guys? Right. So here, so now for connecting, right, guys, to connect with the Linux virtual machine, what we are using? Connect with Linux virtual machine by using public IP, by using public IP and PEM key, and PEM key. How you will get this PEM key? We will download at the time of creating the virtual machine. Guys, please go through these steps. Please go through these steps. Here what I am going to do, I am going to create a Linux machine in AWS using EC2 service. EC2 stands for what? Elastic Compute Cloud. Right. It is used. Why we are using EC2? We are going to use EC2 to create the virtual machines in the AWS cloud. If you want to create the virtual machines in the AWS cloud, we need to use that EC2 service. In the cloud, I will create a mission. Now I want to create. Now what I want to do, guys, I want to connect with that mission, guys. Here in the cloud, right, I'm going to create a mission and I want to connect with that mission. Right, what you guys will do from Windows operating system, I want to create the Linux mission which I have created in AWS cloud. Right, if you want to connect with that Linux mission, we should have some software in our Windows operating system, in our Windows machine. Right, we have so many softwares are available like Git Bash, Putty, MobaXterm. So many things are available. By using these softwares, we can connect with the Linux machine which we created in AWS cloud. Okay, guys, is this clear? These steps are clear. Perfect. Now let me go to AWS. Let me go to AWS, guys. See here, guys, if you guys don't have the account, just click on create a new AWS account. This is the home page. Just click on this, create a new AWS account. Right, they will ask some questions. Just give the details for that. Just give the details for that, guys. Your account will be created. Right, it will ask card details. Please enter the card details. If you are not to provide the card details, you can't able to get the account in AWS. Compulsory card details you need to provide, right? Once account is ready, right, sign in page you guys will get like this. See here, I'm going to sign in into my AWS account. Already I have the account. I'm going to sign in into that account. So this is the AWS management console. You guys will get the console like this. Right guys, see here, if you click on this drop down arrow, if you click on this down arrow, here you can able to see the regions which are available. Right, in all these regions, AWS data centers are available. See guys, US East, Ohio, right, US West like that. See, Africa, right, Asia Pacific like that. So many regions are available. All these are called as regions. In all these regions, we have AWS data centers. We have AWS data center. Right, you can select any region. You can select any region, North Virginia, Ohio, North California, right, not California, right, like that. You can select any region, but recommended to select the nearest region. The recommended to select nearest region. Here, which one is the nearest region for us? Mumbai. Mumbai is the nearest region for us. So select this Mumbai region. Maybe I think, right, coming soon one data center is going to come in Hyderabad also. Coming soon one data center is going to come in Hyderabad also, maybe, right? See, right, as of now the nearest region is Mumbai. Select this Mumbai region. See guys, already I have Mumbai, I mean Mumbai region. I mean Mumbai region only. Is that clear guys? Right, in down arrow, if you click the down arrow, here you can able to see all the available regions. In all these regions we have AWS data centers. We need to select the nearest region. What is the nearest region for us? Mumbai is the nearest region for us. So click on that Mumbai region. Okay, fine. Right, once you selected that Mumbai region, you guys will get like this. You guys will get like this. Here you can able to search for all the services. I want EC2 service. EC2 service. I want EC2 service. Just type EC2 here. See, EC2 I am typing. Just here I have typed EC2. See, EC2 virtual servers in the cloud. Why we are going to use this EC2? To create virtual servers in the cloud, we are using this EC2. Understood guys? What is the purpose of this EC2? Just to create the virtual servers in the EC2. Okay, right, now click on this EC2. Click on that EC2. Right, here we have selected that EC2. We have selected that EC2. See guys, instances. Select any instance. See guys, right, see, launch instance option is available here. Launch instance option is available. Just click on this launch instance option. Launch instance option. See guys, so here you will get like this. Right, here opt into the new experience, old experience, so many things are there. Let me go to new experience only. Right, so this is the old style guys. Earlier, so this is the interface which we have to create the instance, but now the interface got changed. Right, now let me go to the new experience. Like this you guys are going to get. So like this you guys are going to get it here. Right, here what we need to do? Here what we need to do? Here first we need to give the name of the instance. First we need to give the name of the instance at here. At here, see guys, here we need to give the name of the instance. See, all these are the different distributions we have. All these are the different distributions. Yesterday I have given list of distributions, right? Amazon Linux, Ubuntu Linux, Microsoft Linux, Red Hat Linux, SUSE Linux, like that. All these are the different distributions we have. Debian Linux, all these are the different distributions you have. Whatever you want, you can select. Whatever you want, you can select it here. Right here, I'm going to give the name of the virtual machine. Right here, my Linux VM, my Linux virtual machine. I'm giving the name as my Linux virtual machine. Now here I'm going to select this Amazon Linux. I'm going to select this Amazon Linux. Once you selected that Amazon Linux, see guys, right, free tier is eligible guys. See, once you created the account in AWS, up to 1 year it is free. Up to 1 year it is free guys. Every month you guys will get 750 hours. Right, up to 1 year this account is free. Every month you guys will get 750 hours for free guys. You no need to pay any amount until completing that 1 year guys. Guys, every day 24 hours. Right, 30 into 24, how much? 30 into 24, I think 720 or something. But here you are getting 750 hours. Right, so many missions you can able to create. Okay, so here free tier eligible. See guys, free tier eligible. Right, 64-bit you are getting. Okay, right here T2.micro, this is the free tier eligible one. See here you can able to see key pair guys. If you have any key pair, you can select that key pair from here. If you have any key pair, see in my system for previous batches I have created Docker key. That Docker key is available. If you have any key, you can select. If you don't have the keys, here you need to create the key pair. Here we need to give the key pair. Enter the key pair name. And here I am giving Linux key. Linux key. Linux key I am giving it here. RSA. See guys, pem will be create key pair. Just click on create key pair. One key pair will be downloaded. See guys, Linux key.pem is downloading. You need to keep, so this file guys, this .pem file you need to save some location. Okay, fine. So once that pem is created, so next what we need to do, right, remaining thing. See guys, if you want connect with that Linux machine through SSH connection, we are going to connect guys. SSH secure shell is required. You should enable this one. By default it is enabled. You no need to change anything guys. Right, through SSH only I am going to connect with our Linux machine. SSH stands for secure shell. By default it is enabled. Don't touch anything. Okay, right, now go down, click on launch instance. Now click on launch instance. Successfully initiated launch of instance. View all instances. Just click on this. See guys, my Linux VM. I have created my Linux VM. It is a running condition. Just now it is created. It is in running condition. Just if you select this one, click on this. If you select this one, here you can able to see the public IP. Select this. See guys, here public IP is available. private IP is available. As of now, don't think about the private IP. We will discuss later. Later, guys, in our DevOps tools, we will discuss what is this private IP, when we will use this private IP and all those things. Right, just for time being, right, we are going to use this public IP to connect with this Linux machine. If you want to connect from outside of the network, you should have this public IP. By using this public IP only, we can able to connect. Understood, guys? Is it clear? Right now, my Linux mission is ready. In AWS, I have created Linux mission. My Linux mission is ready. My Linux mission is ready. If you want to connect with this Linux mission from your Windows mission, what you need to do? Just now I told, we have multiple options are available. You need to choose any one option. Okay, right. For time being, I'm going to download one application. I'm going to download one software which is called as download MobaXterm for Windows. Go to this one, MobaXterm for Windows. Click on this link. Click on this link. Let's see MobaXterm Home Edition. Just click on this. If you click on this, one zip file will be downloaded in your downloads folder. If you click on this, zip folder will be downloaded into your downloads folder. Go to that, extract that zip folder, you will get like this. If you extract that zip folder, you will get like this, guys. See, you will get like this. Here, what I want to do here, I want to click on this one. I want to double click on this one. Double click it. Right. So now here, session. I want to start the session. Right. SSH. Right here, remote host means public IP we need to give. Here, whatever the public IP is available, that public IP we need to give there, guys. See, this public IP we need to give. Copy this one and go to here, paste that public IP. Right. So here, specify username. Here I'm going to give one default username. What is the default username? EC2-user. EC2-user is the default username, guys. This is the default username. Next, click on advanced SSH settings. Click on advanced SSH settings. Here, select this use private key. What I need to choose? Here, what private key I need to give? Whatever the .pem key we downloaded, that .pem key we need to provide it here. Click on this. In downloads, we have downloaded .pem key. So that one we need to give it here. Go to downloads. Right here, this is the Linux key.pem. Give this one. Right now, click on OK. Connected. See, guys, now we connected with the Linux mission. We have connected with Linux mission. See, guys. So this is our Linux mission. Who is the user? EC2 user. This is the IP. This is the IP address. Right. From here, we can perform all the operations. Whatever the commands you want to run, all those commands we can run from here. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Is it clear? So now we can use Git Bash also to connect with that. How to use Git Bash? Just go to here, download Git Bash. Download Git Bash. Download Git Bash. Download Git Bash. Git, guys. Right, we need to download Git. Whenever you installed Git in your system, right, Git Bash will come, guys. See, Download for Windows. The latest version of Git is 2.37.1. Whenever you install Git in your system, you will get one client application which is called as Git Bash. Right after installing this, whenever you downloaded one .exe file will be downloaded, just a double click on that, it will get installed. Right, see here you can able to see Git Bash. Once it is installed, you can able to see this Git Bash. From Git Bash also we can able to connect. Right, see first what we need to do, already I told, if you want to connect with the Linux machine, I should have that PEM key. By using that PEM key only I can able to connect. Here what I need to do, wherever that .pem key is downloaded, go to that location. Where that .pem key is available, inside downloads, cd downloads, inside downloads .pem key is available. From this location we can able to connect with that Linux machine. See guys, right, user wants to connect with this Git Bash application. For that, what user is using, PEM key is using. From this Git Bash application, I want to connect with the Linux machine. For that, we need to use SSH, secure shell we need to use. How you will get that secure shell? Go to here. Here, see guys, just click on select this machine and just click on connect. See guys, this is the SSH. Whatever the key we downloaded, whatever the PEM key we downloaded, with that PEM key, one SSH is established, one SSH is created. Right, in downloads folder, if you don't have this PEM key, you can't able to connect with the machine. Compulsory. Here Linux key.pem is available in the SSH. From wherever you are trying to connect with this machine, in that location compulsory you should have this PEM key, then only you can able to connect, otherwise you can't able to connect. Take this SSH, go to here, right, paste this one, paste it. See, just type yes. Are you sure you want to continue connecting? Yes, I want to continue. See guys, Amazon Linux to AMI. We have connected with that Linux machine. See guys, here user is available. First user should connect with the application, software application, whether it is Git Bash, MobaXterm, whatever it. For that, what user is using? Here user is using .pem key. User is using it here. Understood? Right. From this application, if you want to connect with the virtual machine, Linux virtual machine, this is VM. Whatever the Linux virtual machine we created in AWS, if you want to connect this virtual machine from this application, you should have SSH. Through SSH we will connect, guys. Okay, like this, right? From user wants to connect with the application, either Git Bash, MobaXterm or Putty. For that we should use .pem key. Right, from that application, if you want to connect with the virtual machine, you should have this SSH. Through SSH only you can able to connect. Is this clear, guys? Is it clear? Right, you can use Git Bash or you can use MobaXterm, anything, or Putty, anything you can use to connect with that our Linux virtual machine. Okay. See, here you can run all the commands. Whatever the Linux commands are available, all the commands you can practice it here. See, first I'm going to ask, who am I? I'm asking. See, it will return, you are the EC2 user. Next here, I'm going to check date. What is the today's date? See, August 9, right, 2:37. For August 9, 14:37, 12 something it is written. Okay, so next here I'm going to, guys, so this is, so now if you want to see the calendar, just give cal. See, it will print the calendar. it will print the calendar. So like that, all the commands you can practice in this Git Bash only. All the commands you can practice in this MobaXterm only. Understood, guys? Is it clear? Is it clear? Guys, tell me. Right, if you go to our Windows operating system, here we have multiple. See guys, this is the GUI. This is the GUI. So these are the folders. These are the folders which we have, guys. These are the folders which we have. See, if you click on this, you can go to here. Subfolders are available. Inside this, some files are available like this. Right, this is the main folder. Right, inside this main folder I have created this subfolder. Inside this I have created this folder. You can able to see some files at here. If you want to do any modifications, you can click on this and just you can type anything at here. You can type something at here and you can save it. Right, to do all these things we have GUI is available in our Windows operating system. Right, through GUI just we are clicking. Right, so like that we are doing all the operations in Windows operating system. Right, so now if you go to our Linux operating system, where you will click, guys? Where I need to click? Where I need to click? Can you able to see the mission at here? Right, so can you able to see the mission with your eyes? Tell me, guys, whatever the virtual mission, Linux mission we have created, can you able to see that mission with your eyes? No, we can't. We can't. That is virtual mission. That is virtual mission. It is not visible. It is not visible, but we can connect with that by using these applications, right? And we can perform all the operations at here. Now, I am not in Windows mission. I am in virtual mission only, right? I am the EC2 user. This is the IP address. From here, I can able to perform all the operations. Here we don't have any GUI, guys. Everything we need to do through CLI. This is the command line interface. Through CLI only we can do all the activities. Through commands only we need to do all the things, guys. Everything we need to do by using commands only. Understood? In Linux VM, we will operate with the commands CLI. In Linux, everything will be represented as a file only, guys. In Linux, everything will be represented as a file. See, guys, already just now we have seen some commands, right? Now I want to see, right? See, guys, if you go to here, see, this is the working directory. Inside D drive, inside DOAWS-2, right, nodes is available. There I have all these nodes. These are previous batches nodes, guys. Right, all these nodes are available at here. This is the present working directory. This is the present working directory. Now in Linux, if you want to see the present working directory, we don't have the GUI. Then how you can able to see? Through command only. Through command only we can able to get everything. What command is available to know the present working directory? PWD. PWD stands for present working directory. PWD stands for present working directory. See, guys, what it is returning? Present working directory is /home/ECT user. This is the present working directory. This is the present working directory. Now, whatever we are going to create, everything will be stored in this location only. Now, just now I told, right, in Linux, everything will be represented in the form of files only. Now, I want to see what files are available in this location. Now, we are in this location. I want to see what folders, files are available in this location. For that, which command we need to use? ls-l. ls-l. ls stands for what? ls stands for list. L stands for what? -l for long list. ls is list, right? -l is long list. You will get in detail. You will get details, complete details you will get if you give ls space -l. See, guys, total 0. as of now we don't have any files in this location. As of now we don't have any files in this location. Okay, fine. So now let me go to this D drive. Here I want to create one folder. I want to create one folder. How we will create? Right click, new, click on this folder. Here we will give some name, sample something I am giving it here. Sample something I am giving it here. But coming to Linux, how you can able to create that folder? We don't have GUI. You can't able to right click, we can't able to do right click, and we can't able to select a new option, and we can't able to select create folder option in Linux. Then what we need to do? Through command only we need to create. What command is available? mkdir. mkdir. Here directory name we need to give. Here directory name I am going to give DevOps. DevOps is the directory name which I am going to give it here. Right here, DevOps is the directory name I have given. See, right. So now do ls-l. See guys, DevOps directory is created. See, these are the permissions, guys. These are the permissions: read permission, write permission, execute permission. Right. So all these things we will discuss in future classes, guys. Right. This part we will discuss in future classes. As of now, don't think about this one. EC2 user. Right, guys. When we created this 6th August, right? Why it is showing? Sorry, 9th August 9th. Something it is showing like this. Okay. See, this is the name of the directory. Now I want to create one more directory. mkdir AWS. Now do ls-l. Now here we have two directories, AWS and DevOps. AWS and DevOps. So like this, if you want to create the directory in Linux machine, right, we need to use mkdir command. By using mkdir, we can able to create the directories. Okay, same. If you go to our Windows operating system, here if you want to delete, how you are deleting? Just select, right click and click on delete. Click on delete. It got deleted. Right. So now same, if you want to delete in Linux machine, how you can able to delete? By using command only. By using command. Oh, minute guys. He's crying a lot. 1 minute guys. Just I will check what happened. Right guys. So now if you want to delete directory in the Linux machine, what we need to do? Which command we need to use? rmdir. Rmdir we need to use. Rmdir directory name. Here I am giving DevOps. DevOps I am using it here. See guys, now do ls-l. See guys, now we have only AWS. DevOps got deleted. DevOps got deleted. That DevOps is not available. Right now, delete that AWS also. rmdir AWS. Right now, do ls-l. See guys, total 0. Now we don't have any directories. All the directories are deleted. All the directories are deleted. If you want to create any folder or directory, we need to use mkdir. If you want to delete the directory or folder, we need to use rmdir. Rmdir means what? Remove directory. Mkdir means make directory. Make directory, remove directory. With these commands, we can able to create the folders and we can able to delete the folders. Okay. Suppose if you want to create any file, how you will create? Touch f1.txt. Right? Now do ls-l. See guys, f1.txt is created. f1.txt is created. Now, if you want to write the data inside this file, how you will write, guys? If you want to write the data, how you will write? Huh? vi f1.txt. vi f1.txt. See here, right? Press a I button, insert. Right here, you can able to write the content. Welcome to Srini IT and welcome to DevOps with AWS sessions. AWS sessions. Right now, save this one. Save this one. Now we have some data inside this f1.txt. I want to see that data. I want to see that data. What is the command we need to use? Cat command. If you want to print that data, use cat command. Cat f1.txt. f1.txt. See guys, welcome to Srini IT and welcome to DevOps with AWS. Right, what is the purpose of touch command? By using touch command, we can create the empty files. By using touch command, we can create the empty files. If you want write the data inside the file, vi editor. We need to open vi editor. vi f1.txt. There we need to write the data and we need to save it. If you want to print that data, we need to use cat command. Cat command we need to use cat f1.txt. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Okay. So now observe carefully, guys. Right, in Windows, observe carefully. Observe carefully, guys. In Windows, DevOps 3 notes, I have clicked in like this. Right? So here all the notes are, all the class notes are available. Fine. So now observe carefully, guys. If you want to go back to previous folders, here we have one option. Just click on this option. Right, you will go to DevOps 3. Right, just click on once again. Click once again. Right, now you will go to D drive. Click once again. You will go to this PC. So like this, we have options at here. In Windows, GUI is available. You can go like this. But coming to our Linux mission, how you can able to change the directory? I want to change the directory. I want to change from current directory to previous directory. I want to go from current directory to previous directory. How you can able to go? What is the command we need to use? How you can able to go? Right? See guys, if you want to go back, CD, see guys, right here, observe carefully, PWD, present working directory, this one. Now here I am going to create one more directory, mkdir DevOps. mkdir DevOps I am creating. Now go to that location, cd DevOps, right? This is forward direction. Next folder. Right now I am in, now just type pwd. See guys, inside home EC2 user, inside EC2 user DevOps folder. Now currently we are in inside DevOps folder. Now here I am going to create one more directory, mkdir. Here I am going to give Linux. Linux I am going to create. Now just type pwd. Right, DevOps is there. Now cd Linux. Now do present working directory. See guys, home EC2 user DevOps Linux. Now if you want to go back, now currently we are in inside Linux. I want to go back to DevOps. How you can able to go? Right, how you can able to go? Here we don't have any GUI. I want to go back. I want to go back to DevOps. How we can able to go? For that, just type cd space dot dot. cd space dot dot. Now just check pwd. Now currently we are in inside DevOps. Now just do once again cd dot dot. See, now do pwd. Right, currently we are in EC2 user. Like that. By using cd means change directory. Right. mkdir means make directory, rmdir means remove directory, cd means change directory. right? So by using these commands, we can able to create the directory, we can able to remove the directory, we can able to change the directory in Linux, right guys? Here in Windows, whatever the things we are doing by using GUI, all those things we can perform in Linux by using commands. All those things we can do in Linux by using commands. In Windows, we have the GUI, graphical user interface. But in Linux, we don't have the GUI. It is through commands only we can able to perform all the activities. Is it clear, guys? Is this clear? Linux virtual machine, we will operate with commands, right? In Linux, everything will be represented as a file, next, and here we have two types of files are available. What two types of files? Normal files means text files, directories means folder. Guys, right? So here we have below two types of files. What two types of files are available? One is directories, second one is normal files, normal text files. To create a directory in Linux, how you will create it? This is the command: make dir directory name we need to give. Example like this: mkdir DevOps I am giving. mkdir AWS I am giving. So right, by using mkdir we can able to create the directories. Next, delete the directory. Delete a directory in Linux. How you will delete it? For deleting, rmdir name we need to use. rmdir at here I am giving DevOps. At rmdir I am going to give. Right, we can create the directory and we can delete the directory. Right, change the directory. Right, to change the directory, what we need to use? cd directory name, dir name, cd dir name. Right, to go back to previous directory. Right, go back to previous directory. How you will go back? cd space dot dot. Please have a look into this, guys. Right, please have a look into this, what we discussed in today's session. Right, we have seen how to create the Linux virtual machine in AWS cloud. In AWS cloud, how you will create the Linux virtual machine. Right, next, right, to connect with that Linux machine, we have so many softwares are available. Putty is available, MobaXterm is available, Git Bash is available. Anything like this, we have so many things are available. By using those applications, by using those softwares, we can connect with the Linux machine. Right, see guys, first we need to create the account in AWS. Next, we need to create the Linux virtual machine in AWS by using EC2. Right, so we need to go download one software, guys. If you want to connect with this EC2, we need one software. Download that software. Right, to connect with that EC2 machine, we should have public key and PEM key. public key and public IP and PEM key. By using those things, we can able to connect with that Linux machine, right? In Linux machine, we will operate everything with the commands only. We will operate everything with commands only. In Linux, everything will be represented as files only. How many types of files we have? Two types, directories and normal text files. If you want to create any directory, we will use mkdir. If you want to delete any directory, we will use rmdir. If you want to change the directories, we will use cd. Is this clear, guys? All these are clear? Please respond. What we discussed in today's session? In yesterday's session, we discussed what is operating system, what is Windows operating system, and what is Linux operating system, what is the Linux distributions are available. Right? In today's session, what we discussed? Linux environment setup. Today's session. What we discussed in today's session? Linux environment setup. Right? How to create the Linux virtual machine in AWS we have seen. How to connect with that Linux virtual machine from Windows operating system, from Windows machine we have seen. Next, some just how to create the directories, how to change the directories, how to remove the directories we have seen, guys. All these things are clear? All are clear, guys? Good. Yes. Once your work is completed, right, better to go to that location wherever you have created the virtual machine. Go to that location and stop that mission, guys. Stop that mission. Let's see, this is the mission which I created. Select these missions. Select these missions like this. Right, now go to instance state. Here we have the option to stop the instances. Right, click on this stop instance. Otherwise, unnecessarily your 750 hours will get over. That's why once your work is completed, just select those missions and go to instance state and stop those instances. Okay, now guys, if you want to delete these missions, select the mission and terminate the instance. If you click on this terminate instance, this instance permanently will gone. But now I am stopping. In tomorrow session again I want to use these instances. That's why just I am stopping those instances. How you will stop? Select and click on stop instance. Tomorrow if you want to start working with that instance, select and click on start instance. Click on start instance, guys. Okay. Don't forget to stop, guys. Once your work is completed, please stop the instances. Right? Then you can use more time. Otherwise, your 750 hours will get complete. Monthly, you guys will get 750 hours. Up to 1 year, this account is free. Okay? They won't charge, guys. I'm sure. They won't charge. Up to 1 year, they won't charge anything. Right? So please give the card details. Don't think to give the card details just for verification purpose. Without your confirmation, they won't deduct single NP also from your card. Okay. If you guys don't have the account, please create the account and create the virtual machine in that account, guys. Okay. Fine, guys. We will continue tomorrow. Same. Tomorrow we have the class at 7:30. We will continue in tomorrow's session. Okay. Fine, guys. Thank you, guys. I think in yesterday record I shared. Already have shared in yesterday record. Not group. Personally only I shared. I think Srinivas, you have given one. You have logged into that Telegram. In Telegram, I have shared. Rajesh, did you receive that record? Yesterday, notes and record both I have shared. And for Srinivas, I have shared, man. So this is your account only, right? You only given this account, right? Aruni something. Who given this? Okay. Okay, Srinivas, I will share that. I will share the Telegram link. Please log in into Telegram link. I will share. Remaining records also I will share, guys. Today I have one more demo session is there. Once that session is completed, today I will prepare. I will create. I will put all those records in one place. I will create the group. I will create the group, guys. In next couple of days, I will create the group. Okay. Just for time being, I'm sharing individually. Next couple of days, I will create the group. Okay. Srinivas, I will share that Telegram link. Please log in. Right. I will share the record to you also. Okay. So today class and previous sessions, all those things I'm going to send it today itself. Okay. Thank you, guys. At 8:30, I want to join that other demo session. Okay. Tomorrow we will discuss. Thank you, guys. Varun, I will share it. I will share to you also. Okay.